Boasting an ultra convenient location in a boutique block of only 9 apartments. Hi, my name's Titan Davis. I can't wait to show you through this home. It's perfect for first home buyers and investors alike. Let's go take a look. This property is ideally positioned on the corner of Prince Street and Military Road. As you enter the home, you're instantly met with leafy surrounds as well as original parquetry flooring. Moving through, you'll find a good sized living and dining space which flows perfectly out to the large balcony. The large windows allow for maximum natural sunlight. The kitchen is certainly a feature and offers gas cooking as well as ample cupboard storage. The bedroom flows off the living space and features built-in cupboards as well as a beautiful updated ensuite with internal laundry facility. Other features include undercover car space as well as visitor parking and easy first floor access. Ideally located only moments away from Cremorne Village, including beautiful cafes, restaurants and parks, as well as local government transport to the city. Boutique homes in this location and price range are hard to come by. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise I'll see you at the next inspection.